Hey, what's up, tubers? Superdell here, and I got another video for you. As you can see right here, I am on Walmart.com. Now, in yesterday's video, it was rumored that these prices were going up. And so, again, on Walmart.com, you actually see it. On 4K Plus has gone from $29.98 to $39.98. All right, so we see it right here. And again, if you go to your walmart.com, you can check on your end. The on 4K Pro, surprisingly, is roughly the same price. It looked like it went down a few cents because this one is at $44.73. Now, again, I went further down and I see the on 4K streaming device. This is one of the first ones that they released, and they have went up almost $5. No, they have went up $5 because it was 1988. And so these devices are still saying out of stock. I have no idea when they're coming back in stock. All we can do is just continue to check their website or just go into the store. But I got some more news for you. And listen, let me be the first one. I'm never a hater. I'm all about individuals or organizations making their money, but sometimes you be like, God, to be more careful. So I go to Amazon, guys. I go to Amazon, and you see the on 4K Plus. Again, they probably got this for $30, and I'm not mad at that price. I'm not mad at this price. It's only $20 more, right? You know, no, because 44 is only $14 more. So no, because this was $30. So with $30, it's $20 more, like I said earlier. But then when I go down to the on 4K Pro, look at the price right here, guys. Again, I'm all for everyone making their money, but this is well over 50% that whoever get this device is being taxed. Now, me, I would probably say, hey, just leave it alone. Find something else. But again, it comes down to you and what you want. And I cannot judge you from there. But me personally, I'm going to pass on it. I'm going to just have to weigh it out or find a TiVo Stream 4K, something like that. Because this is wow. $103 for this device. That's not all, guys. That's not all. Again, I go to eBay. eBay is taxing. All right, 72, 84, $80. These are not too bad. They're in their 70s, but you see, they definitely somebody's trying to make a few extra dollars on here. But again, I'm not going to knock the hustle. I'm not, because at the end of the day, excuse me, it comes down to you and what you want to spend. And if these your go-to boxes, then you might have to get these and upcharge whoever you giving it to or something like that, if that's what you decide to do. I went to the on 4K Plus, and again, these are now or will be $40. All right, but I'm quite sure they got these for $30, and they just trying to make a couple of coins off of it right here. As you see, 49, 46, somebody charging 56, 55, somebody charging 60, 50. So it's roughly rounded off to a little bit over $50. Again, just trying to make an extra quick 20 on these devices right here. But I'm not mad at them. I'm definitely not mad. But is it eye-opening? Absolutely. Really, when you come on here and you see something like this, you be like, man, what the heck is really going on? So, it is what it is. I just wanted to bring it to your attention, for what it's worth. For what it's worth. And so, again, this is a short video. I just wanted to bring it to your attention that it is here. And according to Walmart, here it is right here. These will be your new prices. Okay. Is it a deal breaker? Absolutely not. But I'm going to be like this. I'm not going to even lie to you. It's either you pay 40 or you pay 45. What you want? You know, what device would you get? Would you just stick with the faster processor, the on 4K plus, or would you spend that extra $5 and go ahead and get the big dog, the on 4K Pro? Now we all know this device is a little bit more powerful than this device, but this one give you a little bit more features, like with um, the remote finder, uh, the non hands free remote. You could just say "Hey G word" and tell it to open up YouTube, Netflix, and all of that. Tell it to play music. You can do all of that. You can do all of that right here using this device right here. So let me know in the comments. All right, which device would you get? Would you, knowing that the On 4K Plus has raised the price $10? Would you still stick with that one, or would you go with the On 4K Pro? I'm telling you now, I'm going with the Pro. All right, that's just me. Got a USB in the back, remote finder, hands free. Uh, talking to this device. And again, that's just me. But let me know what you would do. And are you or will you pay these prices? If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, thumbs up the video, share the video. And if you click that bell icon, always select all. That way you get notified anytime I drop any video or discussion in the community tab on YouTube. Salute to y'all. Y'all be safe out there, and I will see you on the next video. Peace, guys.